234 points.
I'm hearing, okay?
Ang Palad family. Habang may 65 points ang Panel family. Kaya eto na final. Triple points round. Ha, eto na. Maglalaban na si Doy and Cheryl. Let's play the final round.
One last round to do it. This is the last one.
Wow. Dokse, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating last, baka may mga gusto kayong batiin.
Babatiin ko po lahat ng aking mga kasamahang doktor, lalo na po from Philippine Academy of Medical Specialists.
Wow, hello po sa inyo dyan, Philippine Academy of Medical Specialists. Magandang hapon, thank you for watching. Sana naman makapag-guest din kayo dito very soon.
Yes.
Ano ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Doy, sino ba
Isa lang
mapapatiin natin?
hinihiling ko.
Ha?
Pwede pang buena mano hug.
Wow! Kanino?
Mr. Ding Dong Dante.
Naman.
Pwede po.
Whoa!
Doy! Good job, Doy.
Salamat.
Good luck.
Panalo
Eto
na
na.
siya.
Panalo
Here we
na.
Top 4 answers are on the board. Ito pwedeng local, pwedeng foreigner ang sagot. Magbigay ng celebrity na ang kanyang apelyido ay Domingo.
Robbie Domingo.
Doy.
Oh my God!
Oh, naku, may 3-second rule tayo magbigay ng celebrity, Ate She, Doc She. Pwedeng local, pwedeng foreigner na ang apelyido ay Domingo.
Favorite ko to, si Miss Eugene Domingo.
Okay.
Domingo, survey
But I don't
says-
even know who she is.
Meron. Meron pa tayong tatlo. Pass or play, Ate She?
Pass.
What?
Whoa! Whoa! First time na nag-pass around for. First time in history sa atin in 2 years na may nag-pass around for. Kung bakit, I'm sure may dahilan yan. We'll see.
Yeah, I know normally they're supposed to say play.
Ate
But
Tina,
sometimes
no
if the
coaching,
question's
no
too
coaching.
tough and
No
they can't
coaching.
even think of
Pwede
other
local
stuff,
magbigay
they
ng-
just pass it.
ng celebrity na
That's a
ang
great
apelyido
strategy.
ay Domingo.
Robbie.
Robbie Domingo.
Correct! Number one!
Yes.
Oh.
Benita.
Kim Domingo.
Kim Domingo.
Oh yeah, I forgot!
Yes. Now,
Uh-oh!
Domingo.
They can complete
Magbigay ng
everything!
celebrity na ang
Unless they
apelyido
were to mention
ay
the name of my
Domingo for the
jowa,
win.
who's from
Okay.
Sparkle Teens. Please
Si
not.
Domingo, una na lang.
Si Ian Domingo. Isa Ian. Oo, di ba? Kilala mo rin si Ian?
Kilala.
Sabi ko na ba, Ian? Hoy, may bagong pelikula siya, di ba?
Oo,
Oo, naalala ko.
Anong pelikula?
Trending na. Trending na nga
Di
yung
kayo
pelikula.
updated,
Ako.
di kayo updated.
Tignan natin kung nandiyan si paring Ian. Ha? Ian Domingo.
Eh.
Ito, babawi na si Doy. Ito.
Kogi Domingo.
Kogi Domingo.
I don't even know who that is.
Mahusay na aktor, Kogi Domingo, gumita sa maraming pelikula at TV series dito sa GMA, katulad ng Death Row at maraming teleserye noong early 2000s. Nandyan po ba si Kogi Domingo?
Only one way to find
Kilala
out.
Kogi Domingo.
Yes, sir.
Nakatrabaho mo si Kogi?
Hindi.
Hindi, pero you know him.
I know the name.
You know the name. Kasi isa na lang hinahanap natin. You think si Kogi Domingo ang fourth?
I think.
You think?
I don't think so, but I think the fourth one's gotta be the name of my jowa.
Nandyan ba si Kogi Domingo?
What the heck? Suabe!
Yes.
Sayang yung pass mo, Ate Donita!
30 points, Pilot family.
Sayang!
34
You
points.
let the other team win! Ang swerte nila kahit hindi sila gumawa ng top answer sa una!
Thank you very much, Doc. Camille, thank you. And good luck
Sayang!
sa finals. Isa na namang estrella sa iyong mga list of achievements.
Sometimes passing may not be a good idea.
And of course,
You may never know, the other team may have an advantage to complete everything, you know? That's why it's really a bad advantage to pass. But also to them, it was their good strat. It depends upon the mindsets of people, though. So that's the moral lesson I want to tell you when you're in the triple points round. Sometimes passing may not be a good idea, but sometimes it's a convenient thing. Yeah.
naging swerte yun.